If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE main questions on indefinite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 4 to question number 7. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Next, in question number 4, it is dx divided by cos x plus root 3 sin x is equal to. Now again, to club these two, you consider this is a, this is b. So you divide it generally by 1 by under root a square plus b square. So that's why in the first question we have used 1 root 2 we have divided. So here also if you divide it by this square plus this square under root, that is 2. So if you do it in this way, if I write it here, dx divided by, so it will be 1 by 2 cos x plus root 3 by 2 sin x dx. Again you have lots of options, but all the options are in tan format, so better you will go to cos. So that's why we'll write it cos a cos b plus sin a sin b format. So 1 by 2 is barred out, so it will be cos half is cos 60, sorry it is 60 degree, cos 60 is half and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. It will be half dx and it will be cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, so cos a minus b, so it will be sec, because it is cos a minus b, b minus a doesn't make any sense, so I am writing this one dx, and it is again sec, we can write it log sec x plus 10x, but again sec x plus 10x I have just now explained, I can make it 10 pi by 4 minus x, it will be half log 10 pi by 4, this one pi by 4 plus x by 2, so it will be x by 2 minus pi by 6 plus c, so it will be half log 10 x by 2 plus pi by 12 plus c. That is your answer, that is option A. Next, if you come to question number 5, again it is of this format, you can see, I wish this should be in the denominator, then I could have opened it and split it. So again I will take x minus pi by 4 as a t, then I can split it out. You can see options also, these are splitted options, 2-3 parts are there in the option. In indefinite integral there is another approach also. If in question you don't know how to proceed and you have time, there are ample time is there, you are still left, you have time to think, then what you do, you can do reverse way also. You take differentiation of this one, see whether it is coming or not. Take the differentiation or all options, whether it is giving to this one, because integration of this one is this, means differentiation of this one is this. But you do it after you don't be able to integrate it, then you do, and you have lots of time, because that will take time, because you will check one by one differentiation you will do, that will take some time. So it is root 2 into sin x divided by sin x minus pi by 4 dx. So what you will do, x minus pi by 4 is equal to t, so dx equal to dt. So it will be root 2 sin t, instead of x I will write t plus pi by 4 divided by sin t dx equal to dt, which is equal to root 2 into sin a cos b, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus cos a sin b divided by sin t dt. So this root 2 get cancelled, and if you open it, it will be only t dt, only 1, and this will be cos t by sin t is cot t dt. It will be t plus log sin t plus c. So t is equal to x minus pi by 4 plus log sin x minus pi by 4 plus c. So that is your answer, x plus log sin x minus pi by 4 plus c. So you can write it option D, because this pi by 4 you can take it with c anytime, because this is constant. Ultimately the thing that involves x that matters, constant you can do anything, you can write it c dash, or c dash equal to c minus this. So that is your option D. Next, if you come to question number 6, what they are asking, 5 tan x by tan x minus 2 is equal to something of this format, then a is equal to what? So 5 tan x by tan x minus 2 dx. So if you open it in sin cos, it will be sin by cos, then it is sin by cos. So 5 sin x divided by sin x, and then if I have done the LCM also, I have converted into sin x cos x and I have done the LCM. And now this is as per you, I think you have seen this trigonometric format, I have explained this format. This is of this format, integration of this format, sin cos divided by something of sin cos. So what was the format? You write the numerator is equal to differentiation of denominator plus something, only that denominator, differentiation of this one plus this one. So you will do it in that way. So you write, we will take the numerator 5 sin x equal to a into differentiation of this one What is differentiation? Sin x is cos x minus cos x is minus sin x, and then b into that original denominator. If I do it in this way, what happens? You compare the coefficients. What are the coefficients of sine? Here it is 5. What is the coefficient of sine here? 2a plus b. So this is equation 1. And then you compare the coefficient of cos. This side no cos is there 0, and this side it is a minus 2b. So if you solve 1 and 2, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So now you can write this integration as 2 into cos x plus 2 sin x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. I am splitting out because this by this and this by this, plus b into b is equal to sin 1, so sin x minus 2 cos x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x, because this divided by this, so 1 will be this by this, 1 will be this by this, so this is easy, this is 1, and here if you take this one as a t, you take this is as it is, then what will happen? Then cos x minus plus 2 sin x, because this differentiation is the upper one, is equal to dx equal to dt, so it will be 2 into dt by t, and this is only x because this will get cancelled, plus c, so it is 2 log t. Log is t is here cos x plus 2 sin x, so this is your answer. Sorry, t is here sin x minus 2 cos x, so this is your answer. That is your option D, because you see a, what is the value of a, you compare this one, this is x, this is a is equal to 2, so that is your option D. Now in question number 7, if fx equal to some psi x, then integration x to the power 5 fx cube dx is equal to, so you see this one, this is already given, so I will to use this one. I don't know the integration of fx, but they have given psi x, so you write in terms of psi x, and they are asking to find this is x cube into fx cube. So to include that psi, I have to do something so that it becomes only fx, then I can write it is psi x, because then only I can use this integration of fx equal to psi x. So to do that one, if I take this one as x cube into x square fx cube, substitution, I think you have done this one. This you can take t, so your x square dx will be equal to dt. So if I take x cube equal to t, so then 3x square dx equal to dt, which will give you x square dx equal to dt by 3. So it will be 1 by 3, and instead of x cube it will be t and x square dx, that becomes your dt by 3. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3, and it is fx cube is ft. Now you can apply here by parts. What is the formula for the by parts? This is your first function, you take, consider it is as a first function. So first function constant, integration of second function. What is integration of ft? Is always psi x, so it will be psi t, minus differentiation of first into integration of second. So integration, whole integration of second is integration of ft is psi t, so I am writing psi t, and differentiation of t is 1, so it will be of this fashion. Now if you put all these values, instead of t it will be x cube psi x to cube minus, so psi t will be equal to psi x cube, and instead of dt you have to put again dt is equal to 3x square, so this 3x square into dx, because everything is in the option, it is in the given in the format of dx, so a whole multiplied by 1 by 3. So now if you open 1 by 3, this will be 1 by 3 x cube psi x cube, 1 by 3 x cube psi x cube everywhere, and these 3 and 1 by 3 will get cancelled, and it will be x square psi x cube, it is only x square psi x cube. So this is this 1 by 3 is all this one, so it will not be the answer. The 3 no 3, because 3 and 1 by 3 get cancelled if you open the bracket. So this one is the, if you open the bracket it will be 1 by 3 x cube psi x cube minus this 3 1 by 3 gone, it is x square psi x cube, so that is your option C. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.